This video demonstrates the correct procedure for daily flushing of water lines in each dental unit. It is essential for dental professionals to perform routine flushing throughout the day to help prevent bacterial buildup in the water lines. Ensure that the water bottle is filled with clean water from a nearby faucet and securely reattach it to the dental unit. Turn on the dental unit using the power switch located on the side of the unit. Set the timer on the monitor located in the cabinet next to the computer in each operatory. 2 minutes for flushing at the beginning and end of the day. 30 seconds for between patient flushing. Begin flushing the lines using the flush switch located at the back of the unit on the doctor's side. Air water syringes can be flushed by pressing the water button on the handpiece motor. You can flush the lines into a nearby sink, cup, or available bucket. After flushing, refill the water bottle and reattach it to the dental unit. If you are flushing at the end of the day, make sure to turn off the unit.